What are we doing? It's, I don't know, 10:30 at night and it's late. But what an amazing day. We have all the the continuous fence panels done. We've got the tractor that's now working with the fork attachment. Some serious cool things are happening here at Iron Studio. Brandon, who was a coffee barista 6 months ago, is now not only welding, not only finish grinding, not only making a lot of the beautiful projects you've seen over the past 6 months, but he is also now managing other people. He overlooked the whole project today of the continuous fence panels. I went back to the shop to work on the, there's some other cool things. I'll stand over. Art bar project. So that allowed me to go back and work on the art bar project so we can help more people, which is amazing. 6 months managing somebody else, very proficient in welding, just kicking ass. And then there is Kendra, who has got a couple leads for us for new employees. So while I was also up at the shop, we had 2 interviews for 2 new employees. And it's just like, there's 8 tons of steel today that was moved. There was 2 projects that were active and being worked on. And there's customers being communicated with that I didn't communicate with. There's new leads for workers that I didn't necessarily have a direct hand in getting. And this isn't to be like, oh, look what I can do, but I'm not doing. No, this is what my team is doing, what they're doing, their work. This is wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. They are kicking ass. Excuse my French. It's just like, but it's unbelievable. I'm just so thankful. I'm so grateful for the people in my life that are doing what they're doing, because we're able to help more people, get more done. And it's unbelievable. 6 months ago, Brandon was a coffee barista with no experience. And now he's experienced in managing other people. I go work on my project and Kendra has already lined up a couple of, interviews for some new welders. It's like, oh my gosh, this is incredible. People's lives are being touched and changed, and we're bringing beautiful metalwork into the world and giving jobs and opportunities to people. This is wild. This life thing is a trip. This business thing is a trip. And I just wanted to record it and share it with you guys. It's like, wow. Who knew this would be where the team and the company would be in 2019? Never in my wildest dreams. And so excited to see where we go from here. So excited. Well, you can get some rest, because if the team keeps producing like they're producing, I gotta be able to keep up. So anyway, this is Mike with Iron Studio. Thank you for watching. Let's keep building relationships, one project at a time.